Let's get right into it. You'll need the following items to get started: an A4 clear sticker sheet, a 2-inch circle puncher, and an A4 sticker paper. Now, using whatever tool or software you're comfortable with, create or design your stickers. I'm using CorelDraw here. You could use Canva, Microsoft Word, just whatever you're comfortable with. Once you're done, just send it to your printer to print. I'm using a regular Inkjet printer, a Canon Inkjet printer, and I'm printing on my A4 sticker paper. Now that's done. Now the printing is done, and what I'm going to do is to lay the clear sticker over the printed sticker paper. That's the clear sticker over the printed sticker paper. I'm just going to try to stick it on nice and smooth. It can be quite tricky, but yeah, I'll get it. Okay, now that it's all laid out, I'm going to get my puncher to cut out my stickers. Now you need to, the puncher needs to be as close as possible to the circle, so I'm just going to cut off the unwanted edges here and then try to cut out my circles with the puncher. It wasn't as easy as I thought. It didn't go through very easily, but and also sort of my markings were a bit off, but I think after doing it a couple of times you get a hang of it. Anyway, this was my first attempt, so this came out with a wide edge, so it wasn't trimmed as I would like. So I'm just gonna try it a few more times until I get it right. It doesn't have to be perfect anyway. The white ones seem to have come out quite neat. When I designed it, there was I didn't put an outline on my circle to avoid, it looking tacky. I'm also using my scissors here to trim off some edges of the clear sticker because it didn't cut quite neatly, and that sort of fixed it. You could place this on, boxes. I'm using it here on a cup. You could use it for parties and make custom stickers. This thing sticks so well. It's probably the brand or type of sticker paper I used, but it should hold up. And the clear sticker over the printed A4 paper sticker sort of helps, it keeps it waterproof for a bit, I guess. So I'm just gonna try to cut more stickers with my puncher. If you don't have a puncher, you can also try scissors. You just need to cut neatly, or if you're doing a sticker that is not necessarily round, if you have a sharp, good scissors, and work your way through it, it should work too. And here is the finished look. It's not too bad. It's not bad actually. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it will be useful. Till my next video, please subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.